I wouldn't did this one.
Are people still stopped on the side of the road?
Hell yeah.
Except us?
And a couple cars in the truck.
Know where we're getting.
Thank God you put all our shit in the bags.
Man, lying. That nigga Paul Candy would have been through.
Why you keep fucking with him?
Alright, Paul said, hell no.
Yeah, alright.
Oh my God.
See that shit right here for me?
Bro.
Oh, this shit is so fucking cool.
Hey, bro.
No!
What?
Go ahead, do your thing, do your thing.
No, that's not
Look,
cool.
look.
That's the
Where? I want to get it.
Little finger go up.
Where?
That's an indication.
Hey, why you so close to the left, man?
Cause nigga, if I hug the wall, I'm staying straight.
Oh, shit.
Get you to the hotel, bro. You gonna see your girl. Oh, fuck.
Hopefully when the lost window don't get cracked. Is it a brush? Just hit it? Oh man. You wanna switch spots? Claude? That's exciting. I don't get storms like that much often.
But
I think we're good.
Sure we are.
Alright, we're good, bro.
Oh!
What happened?
I'm going like water.
I need a drink. I need a drink now.
Better learn this shit, bro.
Right, not
Who's gonna be the one parked back there?
Hell yeah, it's almost 30 hours to get to Winsville.
I'm writing a bill for it too. A bill with a video.
like, oh,
Hey, me.
I ain't going no.
We're good. We're out of it, babe.
Yeah, they calm down now.
No, it's up.